Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the camera app and switching to portrait mode. This is where optical depth and subject separation happen. Once done, check the zoom indicator at the bottom. It shows 1x or 0. 5x depending on lens choice, and tap to select the base lens. Make sure to steady the phone because portrait relies on depth data. Avoid moving the subject abruptly and position the subject within the suggested distance for sharp background blur. Next, you adjust zoom and framing for the look you want. Tap the 1x button to switch lenses or drag the on-screen zoom slider for precise control. If you need a value between presets, pinch to fine-tune. Keeping in mind digital zoom reduces quality. Make sure to frame the head and shoulders appropriately and watch the portrait distance hint. Staying within that range preserves edge detection and natural background blur, so you get sharp subject detail. Finally, you capture the shot by tapping the shutter while keeping the phone steady so the portrait processing can finish. You'll often see a brief processing animation. If lighting is low, enable flash or rely on night mode and consider live photo as a fallback. If portrait depth looks wrong, clean the lens, move a bit closer or farther, or switch back to 1x to force the primary lens. If issues persist, close and reopen the camera app or restart the phone to reset sensors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.